The most critical items oil and gas leaders should prioritize is having accurate data and the right systems to manage that data efficiently. Clients engage EAG's team at any point of their company lifecycle and for a range of services. We help clients by providing fractionalized resources that reduce labor costs associated with supporting ongoing land, division order, and owner relations processes, select the right systems for optimization, maintain their data, and provide key reports. By outsourcing with EAG, our clients get to focus their existing land teams on growth, knowing we have their back office handled. We analyze clients' documentation, find discrepancies, implement solutions, and manage their assets as if they are our own. Contact us today for a free consultation.